A federal judge has approved new rules in the testing of former players to determine their eligibility to receive money from the NFL's $1 billion concussion settlement. The revisions bring an end to the use of race norming in its dementia testing, which assumed black people had lower cognitive scores, so it made it harder to prove symptoms. Now black retired players whose claims were denied initially can get retested or have their original test rescored under the revised rules. With me now to talk about today's announcement is attorney Cy Smith, who is vacationing in St. John's at the moment, so definitely appreciate him taking the time out to come on the show tonight. Thank you for coming on, Cy.
My pleasure. Thanks, Yodit.
You represent two former players, whose claims were denied, correct?
Yeah, that's right. Najee Davenport and Kevin Henry.
Well, talk to us about why this ruling, one, is a big deal, and how might it affect their cases?
Sure. So we filed suit back in July of 2020 for Najee and Kevin, who are NFL veterans and folks who were affected by the national settlement regarding concussions back in 2015. And they're both black, and they both had filed claims for benefits under the concussion settlement. And both of them had their scores affected by what's called race norming, which you mentioned in the opening. And the idea behind that is that to get benefits under the concussion settlement, you had to show that your cognitive ability had fallen a certain amount. And to figure out how far it had fallen, you had to say, well, where did you start with? And since nobody had testing that showed where Najee and Kevin were before they played NFL football, you had to make an assumption about where they were. And so the historical practice that was used up until our lawsuit was settled was to assume that black players had started at a lower level. And so if they had the same scores as a white player on cognitive tests today, they would assume that the black player had fallen not as far. They wouldn't get benefits. So
right.
That's the practice we challenged that we brought to an end.
Well, for those who've never heard of race norming, because I didn't until that big story came out last year about its practice, give us some background on its origins and what the practice actually entailed.
Sure. So it actually started in San Diego for what the clinical psychologist thought was a good reason. He was looking at a lot of people who were being diagnosed with dementia or with lower cognitive scores. And he saw that a lot more of them were black than white in proportion of the population out there. And this was growing out of the AIDS crisis back then. And so this psychologist, whose name was Heaton, said, well, this doesn't seem right. We're diagnosing people as having dementia or various types of cognitive impairments. And so I want to make it less likely that we'll have false positives, so to speak. And so he did some research, mostly out in San Diego, and there's some questions about how good the research was and how big the samples were. And the work that he did led to the so-called Heaton norms that had separate standards for black and white patients, people who were being presented for neuropsychological testing. And those norms became widely used in the psychology profession, and then they were used in the NFL concussion settlement. And that's what created the two-tier system for black and white players. So it started off for a good reason, but we think it led to a bad result. And there's other examples throughout medicine and healthcare that we think are now under challenge, partly due to our case.
Well, in the past, the NFL has said that race norming was, like you said, developed in medical research and used to stop bias in testing, but not to perpetrate it. But many, obviously feel that this was just another example of the systemic racism that's embedded within the league. As someone who's represented many players, many former players, that is, what's your take on its use?
Yeah, I don't want to get into the NFL's motivations for this. In order to get this very important result for thousands of black players in the settlement, the NFL insisted on a non-disparagement clause. And frankly, we never got that far into the essential reasons for this, why it was employed. I would say this: the very fact that that getting rid of this process, in the concussion settlement, has started to have repercussions, echoes outside, not just the settlement discussion, but also in the neuropsychology field, in the field of kidney function. I didn't know until we got into this case that there were two separate, black and white scales for kidney function. That black patients were assumed to have a lower level of kidney function, and that has come under attack and is going to change. So there's a lot of assumptions out there in society about, how black people and white people behave that are, whether or not they're based on racism, they're certainly not based on differences, real differences between black and white individuals. A lot of them reflect things like bad education, especially for older black individuals who are, born and educated before Brown versus Board of Education, or other, artifacts of systemic social racism. So getting rid of it here is going to lead, we hope, to getting rid of it elsewhere.
Well, do you expect any pushback from the NFL to this ruling? And what's next for all the other players out there who can now be retested?
Sure. So the good thing about this ruling is that it's the result of a consensual, agreed upon process, a mediation that was ordered by the court. And I think it was just a great idea to require that the NFL sit down with us and with the attorneys representing the class as a whole, the thousands and thousands of players, in addition to our two black players. And we hammered out an agreement that's, it's exactly that. It's an agreement. Now it's been approved by the court, and it's going to be implemented in the months and even years ahead. So we think that in the coming months, you're going to see lots and lots of black players who are going to qualify for benefits in the first place, for what we call neurocognitive impairment, who are going to qualify for higher benefits, but in all cases are going to be treated fairly. And that's the key takeaway from this. With this agreement in place, we've laid the groundwork for literally thousands of black retired players to get a fair shake, and that's the key thing to think about.
Attorney Cy Smith, thank you again for your time tonight.